I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your YouTube Music subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account that has the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 3. Select Paid Memberships. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Paid Memberships. Tap on it to view all your active subscriptions. Step 4. Choose YouTube Music. Find and select YouTube Music from the list of your subscriptions. This will take you to the subscription details page. Step 5. Cancel subscription. On the subscription details page, look for the Cancel Membership option and tap it. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Remember, if you cancel towards the end of your billing cycle, you may still have access until the end of that period. I hope this helps you manage your YouTube Music subscription easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.